Good morning, everyone. I'm number 37, and today I'd like to read a lovely story called The Wolf and the Lamb. One day, a little lamb was grazing in fields. He saw fresh grass in the distance and went to enjoy the fresh and delicious grass all by himself. Unaware of